here I have REALME 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enable battery percentage feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the notifications and status bar, then go to the status bar, and here go to battery percentage. So you have two different options. You can show it inside battery icon or outside battery icon. So pick the one that you like more. So as here you can see how it will look like: inside, outside, or just no battery percentage. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.